Come test drive the 2020 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, fog lights, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats, wireless charging station, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.